Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss Introduction to Cost Accounting MCQs, True or False, Fill in the blanks, Match the following. This is the CMA study material. Okay. The first one is multiple choice questions. The first one, batch costing is suitable for option A, sugar industry, B, chemical industry, C, pharma industry, D, oil industry. So batch costing is suitable for pharma industry because they produced in batches. Next, second one, joint cost is suitable for option A, infrastructure industry, B, ornament industry, C, oil industry, D, fertilizer industry. Joint cost is suitable for oil industry because byproducts also produced in manufacturing of oil. Next, third one, cost units of hospital industry is option A, ton, B, student per year, C, kilowatt hour, D, patient day. So patient day is the cost unit of hospital industry. Next, fourth one, cost units of automobile industry is option A, cubic meter, B, midnight, C, number of call, D, number of vehicle. So cubic meter cost units of automobile industry is a number of vehicle. Next, fifth one, depreciation is a example of A, fixed cost, B, variable cost, C, semi-variable cost, D, none of these. So depreciation is a example of fixed cost. Sixth one, process costing method is suitable for. So process costing method is suitable for option A, steel industry, B, crane manufacturing organization, C, road roller manufacturing company, D, transport industry, E, none of the above. So process costing is suitable for steel industry because they produce in processes. Seventh one, which of the following classification is meant for distinction between direct cost and indirect cost? So distinction between direct cost and indirect cost. Option A, function, B, element, C, variability, D, controllability, E, none of the above. So the option is element. So classification is meant for distinction between direct cost and indirect cost is element wise classification. Next, eighth one, which of the following is applicable for cost control? Option A, it is related with the future, B, it is a corrective function, C, it ends when the targets are achieved, D, it challenges the standard set, E, none of the above. So option C is the answer. So applicable for cost control, it ends when the targets are achieved. Next, ninth one, dash is anything for which a separate measurement of cost is required. So here separate measurement of cost is required. Option A, cost driver, B, cost center, C, cost unit, D, cost object. So a separate measurement of cost is required for each cost object. 10th one, ticket counter in a metro station is an example of option A, profit center, B, investment center, C, cost center, D, revenue center. So ticket counter in a metro station is an example of revenue center. 11th one, which of the following is an example of functional classification of cost? So you are asking functional classification of cost. Option A, direct labor cost, B. Direct material cost. C. Factory overhead. D. Indirect material cost. So here functional classification is factory overhead. Next, true or false? True or false? The first one is differential cost is the change in the cost due to change in activity from one level to another. Yes. So differential cost is the change in the cost due to change in activity from one level to another is the true statement. Next, second one, cost unit of hotel industry is student per year. False. Already given in MCQ. It's a false statement. Next, third one, multiple costing is suitable for the banking industry. It also a false statement. Next, fourth one, direct expenses are expenses related to manufacture of a product or rendering of services. Yes, it's a true statement because direct expenses are exclusively related to manufacture of product or rendering services. Next, fifth one, profit is a result of two varying factors, sales and variable cost. It's a false statement. So profit is a result of two varying factors. No, it's not a correct. So it's a false statement. Next, sixth one, cost accounting is not required for a non-profit organization such as medical hospital. It's a false statement. So the cost requirement also for medical hospital, it's not depend on profit nature. Next, seventh one, cost reduction and cost control means the same thing. No, they are different terms. Eighth one, notional cost and imputed cost means the same thing. Yes, notional cost and imputed cost are same thing. True. Next, ninth one, cost accounting is a branch of financial accounting. False. Next, 10th one, opportunity cost is recorded in the costing books of accounts. Opportunity cost is recorded in the costing books of accounts. False statement. Next, conversion cost are recorded as direct cost. No, it's a false statement. All store items such as lubricant oil, cotton waste, etc. is recorded as direct material cost. No, these are all indirect material cost. It's a false statement. Next, fill in the blanks. The first one, differential cost is the change in the cost due to change in dash from one level to another. So differential cost is the change in the cost due to change in activity from one level to another. Next, second one, management accounting is primarily concerned with management. So management accounting is primarily concerned with management. Third one, in cost accounting, stock are valued at cost only. In cost accounting, stock are valued at cost only. In financial accounting, cost or net result value, whichever is lower. But in cost accounting, stock are valued at cost only. Next, fourth one, profit is the resultant of two varying factors, namely dash and dash. So profit is the resultant of sales and cost. Next, fifth one, dash cost or historical cost which are incurred in the past. Sunk cost are historical cost which are incurred in the past. Next, sixth one, a responsibility center in which a manager is responsible for costs only is called. So a responsibility center in which a manager is responsible for cost only is called cost center, because only responsible cost center. Okay, next seventh one. Dash costs are not considered for decision making because all past costs are not relevant. These are also sunk cost. So sunk costs are not considered for decision making because all past costs are not relevant for decision making. Next, eighth one. Dash expenses are not included in the cost sheet. So notional expenses are not included in the cost sheet. For example, rent on own building is a notional cost. We not recorded in costing sheet. Next, match the following. Given historical cost, opportunity cost, relevant cost, cost unit for eradication, notional cost. So first of all, historical cost. So historical cost is the sunk cost. Next, opportunity cost. So opportunity cost is the value of alternative foregone. Option D. Next, relevant cost. Relevant cost is a specific situation. So relevant cost is related to specific situation. Next, cost unit for education. So cost unit for education is the student year. Next, notional cost. So notional cost is the imputed cost. So this